What is going on, tech titans and future shapers? Welcome back to Qualcomm Pulse, where we cut through the noise and bring you the absolute hottest updates that are defining tomorrow today. The pace of innovation is relentless, and if you blink, you might just miss it. That's why we're here, to keep you plugged in with the critical intel you need to stay ahead of the curve. Get ready, because we've got a packed show with stories that are already making waves and will undoubtedly shape industries. From seismic shifts in the semiconductor world to the forward-thinking minds behind technological giants, we're diving deep into what truly matters. You don't want to miss this one. Stick around. First up, we're talking about a titan of the tech world, a company whose every move sends ripples across the global market. We've got breaking news on their stock performance, a significant plunge that's got everyone talking. What's behind this sudden dip, and what does it mean for the future of chip manufacturing? We'll break it all down. Then, we shift our focus to the very architect of innovation, the visionary who built an empire from the ground up. We're going behind the scenes to uncover the pivotal moments and the mindset that fueled his incredible success. This is a story of ambition, resilience, and the unwavering pursuit of excellence. Next, we're zeroing in on a company that's not just participating in the AI revolution, it's powering it. We'll explore why some analysts believe this industry giant is a seriously undervalued player in the artificial intelligence boom. Is this the hidden gem in a market of sky-high valuations? And finally, we're bringing you a crucial alert for anyone navigating the current climate. We'll highlight specific areas to be cautious of, offering practical advice to keep you safe and informed. Stay tuned for all this and more, right here on Qualcomm Pulse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. TSMC stock takes a hit. The world of high-stakes technology and manufacturing has seen a notable tremor as TSMC, a global leader in semiconductor production, experienced a significant dip in its stock value. The company's shares plunged by 2.54%, a move that has captured the attention of investors and industry analysts alike. This downturn comes amidst a backdrop of complex financial maneuvers, including grant conversions and a reported slowdown in sales, painting a picture of a market navigating intricate challenges. TSMC, formerly known as Taiwan's Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, is the linchpin of the global electronics supply chain. Its advanced manufacturing capabilities are crucial for a vast array of tech giants, from smartphone makers to AI developers. Therefore, any fluctuation in its performance can have far-reaching implications across the entire technology sector. The recent stock decline is attributed to a confluence of factors. The conversion of grants, a process that can alter a company's financial structure and future obligations, has introduced a layer of uncertainty. While the specifics of these conversions are often intricate, they can impact earnings per share and overall market sentiment. Investors often scrutinize these events closely, as they can signal shifts in the company's strategic financial planning or its relationship with governmental bodies and funding sources. Compounding this is the reported slowdown in sales. In the hyper-competitive semiconductor industry, consistent sales growth is paramount. A slowdown can indicate several things: increased competition, shifts in consumer demand, macroeconomic headwinds affecting the broader tech market, or challenges in meeting production targets for key clients. For TSMC, which operates on the cutting edge of fabrication technology, maintaining momentum is vital. Any sign of deceleration can raise questions about its ability to sustain its technological lead and market share. The market's reaction, a 2.54% drop, while perhaps not catastrophic in the long run for a company of TSMC's stature, is a clear signal of investor caution. It reflects a period of digestion and analysis, where the market is weighing the immediate financial impacts against the company's long-term growth prospects. Analysts are likely dissecting the details of the grant conversions and scrutinizing sales figures to understand the depth and duration of this slowdown. This event underscores the volatility inherent in the tech sector, particularly for companies at the foundational level of the industry. TSMC's performance is often seen as a bellwether for the broader semiconductor market and, by extension, the global technology landscape. As such, this stock movement will be closely monitored for any signs of broader market trends or sector-specific challenges. Hold on tight, because the market's reaction is just one piece of the puzzle. We're about to dive into the personal journey of the visionary at the helm of this semiconductor giant, uncovering the secrets to his monumental success. The visionary behind the chip giant. In the often impersonal world of global business, the story of Morris Chang, the 94-year-old founder of TSMC, offers a compelling narrative of entrepreneurial spirit, strategic foresight, and the profound impact of pivotal life decisions. Chang, a figure synonymous with the rise of Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company into a global powerhouse, recently shared insights into his remarkable career, highlighting one decision as particularly crucial to his success: leaving Texas Instruments. This candid reflection provides a unique window into the mindset of a titan who not only built an industry, but also shaped the trajectory of modern technology. Chang's tenure at Texas Instruments, a renowned American semiconductor company, spanned over 2 decades. During his time there, he rose through the ranks, gaining invaluable experience and honing his understanding of the nascent semiconductor industry. However, in 1985, he made the momentous decision to leave T and return to Taiwan to lead the newly formed Industrial Technology Research Institute, ITRI. This move was not merely a career change. It was a leap of faith that would ultimately lay the foundation for TSMC and revolutionize semiconductor manufacturing. The conventional wisdom might suggest that a stable, high-ranking position at an established American company would be the pinnacle of professional achievement. Yet, Chang recognized a different path, one that offered the potential for greater impact and innovation. His leadership at ITRI was instrumental in establishing Taiwan's technological infrastructure. However, the true game-changer was the spin-off of ITRI's Integrated Circuit Division to form TSMC in 1987, with Chang at its helm. His vision was to create a pure-play foundry model, a concept that was revolutionary at the time. Unlike integrated device manufacturers, IDMs, that designed, manufactured, and sold their own chips, TSMC would focus solely on manufacturing chips for other companies. This allowed fabless semiconductor companies, which designed chips but lacked manufacturing capabilities, to bring their innovations to market. This foundry model democratized chip design and fueled the growth of countless tech startups. Chang's decision to leave Texas Instruments, though perhaps counterintuitive to some, was rooted in his ambition to build something transformative. He has often spoken about the importance of having the freedom to innovate and to shape a company's culture and direction. At T, while he achieved significant success, he was still operating within an established corporate structure. The opportunity in Taiwan offered him a blank canvas to implement his vision for a new kind of semiconductor company. This entrepreneurial spirit, coupled with his deep industry knowledge and strategic acumen, allowed him to navigate the complexities of establishing a new industry standard. His success story is a testament to the idea that sometimes the most significant leaps forward come from stepping away from the familiar and embracing the challenge of building something entirely new. This personal journey is inspiring, but what about the company's present and future impact on a booming sector? We're turning our attention to the artificial intelligence revolution and how one analyst sees TSMC as a key, undervalued player. TSMC, an undervalued AI powerhouse. In the electrifying landscape of artificial intelligence, where companies are racing to develop and deploy cutting-edge technologies, valuations have soared. Many firms at the heart of this AI revolution are trading at premium prices, reflecting their current performance and immense future growth potential. Amidst this frenzy, a compelling argument is being made that Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company, TSMC, the world's largest contract chip manufacturer, might be a significantly undervalued contender in the AI race. The AI revolution is fundamentally powered by advanced semiconductors. The complex algorithms and massive datasets that drive AI require immense computational power, which in turn necessitates sophisticated, high-performance chips. TSMC sits at the epicenter of this demand. It is the primary manufacturer for many of the leading chip designers whose products are essential for AI applications, from cutting-edge AI accelerators to powerful processors for data centers and autonomous systems. Companies like NVIDIA, AMD, and Apple all rely on TSMC's advanced fabrication capabilities to produce their most critical chips. Despite its crucial role in enabling the AI boom, TSMC's stock valuation is often viewed through a more traditional lens, leading some analysts to believe it is overlooked as a direct AI play. While other companies directly producing AI-focused hardware or software command sky-high multiples, TSMC's foundry model, where it manufactures chips designed by others, can sometimes lead to its foundational importance being underestimated. However, a closer look reveals that TSMC's business is intrinsically tied to the growth of AI. As AI applications become more pervasive, the demand for the advanced chips that TSMC produces will only increase. This creates a robust, long-term growth trajectory for the company. Analysts like Andres Cardinal, CFA, writing for the Data-Driven Investor, highlight this potential. Cardinal points out that companies at the forefront of AI are generally trading at demanding valuations. He suggests that TSMC, while benefiting immensely from the AI trend, is not yet priced with the same premium as some of its more visible AI-enabling peers. This perspective suggests that TSMC offers a more defensive yet equally potent way to invest in the AI revolution. Its stability, technological leadership, and essential role in the supply chain provide a solid foundation, while the ongoing demand for advanced manufacturing driven by AI offers significant upside. The argument for TSMC being an undervalued AI winner is based on its indispensable role in the semiconductor supply chain that underpins AI development. By providing the manufacturing muscle for the chips that power AI, TSMC is a critical enabler of the entire ecosystem. Its ability to produce the most advanced nodes, such as 5nm and 3nm, is a key competitive advantage that few others can match. As AI continues its exponential growth, the demand for these cutting-edge manufacturing services will remain exceptionally strong, positioning TSMC for sustained success and potentially leading to a reevaluation of its market valuation. Now that we've explored the financial and technological aspects, it's time to address a crucial aspect of navigating the current global climate. We'll provide essential advice on places to avoid right now. Navigating current travel advisories. As global events and environmental conditions continue to evolve, staying informed about potential risks and advisories is more critical than ever for travelers. Recent updates highlight specific regions that warrant caution due to adverse weather patterns and associated risks. For those planning journeys or considering travel, understanding these potential hazards can help ensure safety and make informed decisions about destinations. The primary concern highlighted in recent advisories pertains to significant flood and rain alerts across various parts of India. These alerts are not merely precautionary, they are indicative of severe weather systems that can lead to dangerous conditions. Heavy rainfall can cause rivers to swell, leading to flash floods and widespread inundation in low-lying areas. Such events can disrupt transportation networks, including road and rail services, making travel within and to affected regions extremely challenging and, in some cases, impossible. The risks associated with these weather patterns extend beyond mere inconvenience. Flooding can lead to landslides in hilly terrains, damage to infrastructure, and pose direct threats to personal safety. Power outages, communication disruptions, and the potential for waterborne diseases are also significant concerns in areas experiencing severe flooding. Therefore, the advisories strongly recommend avoiding travel to places currently under these alerts. Specific regions affected by these alerts are advised to be approached with extreme caution. While the exact locations can vary based on the dynamic nature of weather systems, the general advice is to stay updated with local meteorological department reports and government advisories. For travelers who may have already booked trips to these areas, it is advisable to review cancellation or rescheduling policies and to maintain close contact with travel providers for the latest information. It's also prudent to have contingency plans in place should travel become unsafe or impossible. This advisory serves as a reminder of the importance of preparedness and awareness when traveling. Understanding the potential impact of natural phenomena on your travel plans is a key component of responsible tourism. By heeding these warnings and adjusting itineraries as necessary, travelers can mitigate risks and prioritize their well-being. The focus remains on ensuring that individuals have the necessary information to make safe choices, especially when natural conditions present significant challenges. Staying safe and informed is paramount. We've covered market shifts, visionary leadership, AI investments, and crucial travel advisories. Now, let's wrap it all up with a quick recap and a look at what's coming next. And that's a wrap on today's crucial updates. We saw TSMC's stock take a significant tumble amidst grant conversions and slowing sales, explored the foundational decision that propelled TSMC founder Morris Chang to success, analyzed why TSMC might be an undervalued powerhouse in the AI revolution, and highlighted important travel advisories for areas facing flood and rain alerts. Don't miss out on the next wave of insights. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, leave a comment below telling us what you think, and follow us on all our social channels for more real-time updates. Until next time, stay informed, stay ahead.